இல்லை அமுக்கலையே. எது இல்லையே, நான் அமுக்கலையே.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Indian Cooking with Suganti, and today we are going to have an interesting chicken curry recipe. It's the spicy chicken curry using a curry paste, and how to do the curry paste you can check my channel for recipe for curry paste. And I'm going to use some ginger garlic paste as well, and how to make the ginger garlic paste is very simple. The recipe also in my channel, please watch that before you make this curry. And we're not going to use any curry powder. And let's see the ingredients we'll be needing. Salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, star anise for seasoning, and ginger garlic paste. And this is the masala curry paste. 1 piece of chicken breast cut into pieces, and half an onion chopped, and curry leaves. And this dish is a very special dish for me because this recipe is from my native place, Madurai, and this is a typical South Indian dish, and I hope you like it. And let's start the cooking. Okay, the stove is on. I'm going to add some oil. I'm using olive oil. It's hot enough. We put some star anise for flavor. Okay, you could see that sizzling. And I'm going to add the onion. Usually I put some little bit of salt in the onion. When the onion turns glassy, you can add the ginger garlic paste. Okay, I'm going to put this about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to put some curry leaves also. I'm just going to break it into pieces. Curry leaves, they give flavor, and as well as it's very good for health. It's very good for digestion, and it's good for your hair also. When I was growing up, my mom used to make hair oil with the curry leaves by washing and just grinding, and then she'll cook it in coconut oil and cool it, and she'll put it in a bottle with a little bit of fenugreek seeds in it. And that's the oil I always used when I was growing up, and I used to have nice thick healthy hair. So now I'm going to add the chili powder. So this is Kashmiri chili powder. I'm going to put about 3/4 teaspoon. And turmeric, again about 3/4 teaspoon turmeric. It's depending on how much gravy you want. If you want a lot of gravy, you can put more of this paste. If you want it like dry chicken curry, then you can put less. You can reduce the amount. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of the curry paste and nicely cook it. This curry paste made of a lot of Indian spices, roasted and ground. This paste also has some coconut in it. Since the spices were roasted, curry paste doesn't have the raw spice smell, so you don't actually have to fry this for too long. So I'm going to add the chicken now. Once you have everything ready, it's very easy to prepare. Mix it nicely, and I'm going to add some salt. Say half a teaspoon. You can adjust it according to your taste. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 7-8 minutes. In medium high. Okay, let's see. Okay. I cooked for about 7 minutes in medium high. The chest part of the chicken, that meat cooks faster. So maybe a little bit longer. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium low and cook it for 5 more minutes, and it's done. Let's check. Perfect. So this is done. You can see the oil bubbling up, so that means the masala, everything is cooked properly, and the chicken is also seems cooked. And I'm going to break it and see one piece. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. You don't see any pink meat inside. It's all white, so it's just fine. Perfect. So I'm going to move this into a serving dish. Chicken curry is ready. Spicy chicken curry made with curry paste. And the curry paste is very aromatic and very flavorful because of all the spices that went into the paste. And for the recipe for the curry paste, please check my channel, Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. And I hope you enjoy the show, and I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. And until then, take care and thank you for watching.